How to enable Zelly on Bank of America app. So let's get started. So hello guys. If you also want to enable Zelly on Bank of America app, here's what you need to do. So first thing first is head over to your Bank of America mobile banking application and sign into your account. And once you do all of that, just tap on this pay and transfer from your navigation bar of your bottom of your screen. And if you are not already enrolled, you will see a screen for setup. So just tap on setup chill and follow the prompts and choose whether to enroll with your mobile number or email address. And if you are enrolling with your mobile number, enter it and follow the instruction to verify. And you can follow along the same for your email address as well if you are enrolling with an email address. And you may need to enter the last six digit of your Bank of America debit or credit card account number or as well as your social security number. And once you provide all of them, you can simply review the information and confirm. And you may receive a one-time code via text or email. Enter this code to verify your device. So once enrolled, you can finally send and receive money with chill through application itself. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.